friends, running kimono. So we're going to talk about the best deals to use the 5 off of 20 this week over at the Dollar General. And as predicted in last week's video, here it is. And it's only valid for 1 week, so definitely use it. Don't lose it. And we're going to talk about stacking these too. So a couple rules for you. Obviously, Saturday the 18th, you'll have the biggest savings. So on a $25 basket, you're getting $10 off. And make sure to have at least $20 of Gain merchandise in your basket. Not all regions this stack works. So in lieu of that, what I would recommend is to use a paper receipt 5 off of 25, and that seems to always do the trick. Pay attention and scan items to make sure that the 5 off of 20 is attaching to products. You really have to pay attention. Issues, you can always void your transaction, and these are Michigan prices. It's usually across the U.S., but if you're in some region where things are crazy expensive, just factor in the math and use the app to scan to make sure we're on the same page. Okay, so this is what the paper receipt coupon looks like. Obviously, you're going to need it for the 18th, not the 4th, but you'll present this in lieu of the digital 5 off of 25, and that seems to do the trick to get the two to stack. So the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital, and this one is super duper easy. So we're going to need our two best friends loaded that include the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So load both of these guys ASAP. Now, the first little item that I'm going to grab is a bag of the Gain Flings for $6.95. Also, Fabric Care is attaching to said coupon. So this is the coupon that we need loaded. And if you look at the first line, it says fireworks, flings. So you know the flings are included. It's all that fabric enhancing goodness. So $2, make sure you have it loaded. We're grabbing 3 cans of the Febreze Air Effects. If you look at the bottom of the can, it says Gain. So we're grabbing 3 of these for $9. And then these are the digitals that we need loaded that include the 3 off of 2 and the $1 off. So load these coupons right away. We're also going to grab one of these Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo. If you look smack dab in the center, it says Gain. That's the one that we want to grab. And then we have this wonderful $1 digital coupon. So please make sure you have that guy loaded to play. And then the final item that we're going to grab is 2 of these Lysol wipes in the 80 count. And over at the Dollar General, they are $4.75 each. Now, on Sunday, we received this coupon, which is a buy one, get one free. So how wonderful is that? I also want to note that if you loaded other 50-cent digitals, those will come off before this one. So hopefully you didn't load every single coupon, but this is the one you need loaded, because there is no way to unload digital coupons with the Dollar General app. Thus, that little, don't make sure you have this, only this one loaded. Here's the math, guys. And again, this is the 18th only. Please pay attention. One of the Gain Flings for $6.95. 3 cans of the Febreze Air Effect with the Gain scent for $9. 3 times 3 equals 9. 1 Swiffer wet pack with the Gain scent for $5, and then 2 of those Lysol wipes for $9.50. They are $4.75 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. So your total here is $30.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 Dollar General digital coupons are coming off, along with $11.75 of digitals. You're paying $8.70 plus your tax, but before tax for these 7 items, it's shaking out to $1.24 per product. OMG, that is kind of awesome. Okay, so the 18th is exactly a week before Christmas. So if you have Christmas plans and you're just like, look, I cannot go on that Saturday. I'd like to save the extra $5, but that is impossible. We're going to look at this deal any day of the week. So if your store by chance is just always awful and no double stack of coupons ever works for you and you think I just lie on this channel, here's a deal for you. Very basic, very easy, where you're going to get a $20 basket. 1 Gain Fling for $6.95, 3 Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent for $9, 1 Swiffer wet pack for $5. The total there is $20.95. As cashier is scanning, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 20 is coming off, along with $7 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous are also coming off. You're paying $8.95 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.79 each. And this is an any day deal. So if you have a party to go to next Saturday, or you're busy, or family commitments, but you still want to get your Gain fix, this might be a dealio for you. Okay, so the final deal that I have prepared for you is with 1 internet printable. We're going to need our two best friends loaded that include the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. If you go over to the site P&G Good Everyday, we have a $3 printable for the Gain Flings. So this is kind of like a Christmas gift. This site is kind of goofy as well, guys, where I'm going to suggest that the morning you go to the store, that's when you go on the site to print, because these coupons expire within like 24 hours. It's a really like goofy site. So just to note that, I would print it the morning of. We're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50. And that coupon is for the Flings only. Now, in the ad, $6.95 for any of these fabric products. I would grab a fabric softener. Why not? And I know for the longest time, Odor and Defense was not attaching, but now it seems to be attaching with the 5 off of 20. So we're just going to grab one of these softeners for $6.95. Hey, that's a Christmas miracle where I don't have Flings included. So we're going to grab this guy, and then this is the digital coupon that you need loaded. And if you look at the coupon, guys, it's expiring on the 18th, so that's definitely a use it or lose it. Now, we're also going to grab one of these Unstoppable sprays for $4. There's a whole bunch that are included, so definitely open up the app and scan to ensure that, the digitals are attaching. And then this is the $2 coupon. As you can see, it expires on Christmas Day, so you have a couple of weeks to use it. And then from the dollar spot, we're going to grab something for $1. Whatever you want. If you want some Christmas box, if you want a deodorant, knock yourself out, or some food or an iced tea, whatever. Just grab one item. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one, and again, I'm stressing that we go on the 18th, which is the Saturday. One of the Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. One Gain fabric product is $6.95, and then one Febreze Unstoppable for $4, and then one item for the dollar spot for $1. So the total here is $25.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. Before the cashier, as the cashier is scanning your last item, before he or she presses the final pay button, that's when you hand over that $3 coupon. You're like, I have a coupon. Get the cashier to scan that. They will scan it and then press the final pay button. 5 off of 20 and 5 off of 25 Dollar General store coupons are coming off, along with $4 of digitals for the fabric and that Febreze spray. So you're paying $8.45 for the 4 items, shaking it out to $2.11 per product. So just a different take on this. I know that some stores, it is almost impossible to use a paper coupon at the store. They're very, very strict. So I think that most of you have a feel for your store to either go digital or to use paper coupons. And I am not exempt from this. There's a couple stores that if I ever dare show a paper coupon, I would be in big trouble. They're just they've been flagged, or they're very strict about coupon usage, and even one coupon can cause a huge problem. So just play that one by ear, even though it's one coupon and you're not breaking any rules, I promise. Just sometimes stores get really put the old reading glasses at the tip of your nose to read that coupon. So either do a digital, or if they will let you use one paper one, you know that already. If it's a cool store or not, you can have that option. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.